Hey, baby. What is going on? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Unfortunately, you can see there's only two of us. Our third musketeer is running a little bit late, but he will be here a little bit later, so don't worry, we will have him here for New York session. But in that time, I have a big man, Ed, here with me. Ed, how you doing today, brother?
Not bad, not bad. How you doing, brother?
Hey, can't complain. My back is finally in relief here, Chad. Check here.
Got them fancy chairs.
Got some nice chairs. I'm not on a garden chair anymore. I'm actually comfortable. So hopefully we're going to see if you're in comfort, do you trade better? We're going to see. Otherwise, the garden chair is coming back out. But Chad, I hope you guys are locked and loaded, ready to go. It is going to be a good one. We had some fundamentals come out, so hopefully those fundamentals are going to drive the markets for us now in this session. But we're going to see what is happening there. Big man discounts. Hey, there we go. But Chad, just because it's been a while, we're going to give over to big man Ed to open us up with a prayer, my brother.
All right, let's do it, Chad. Let's bow our heads in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for granting us another day, another opportunity, another day where we are alive, we are healthy, we are breathing. Let us not waste this opportunity by doing the wrong thing, by hardening our hearts and not being open to the blessing that you have provided for us. So open our hearts up so that we can come into the markets with no fear, with no greed, with no mammon, so that we can come in here so we can provide for ourselves, provide for our families in a way that glorifies your name. We ask this in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful stuff there. Chad, drop an amen because then we know he is present and here with us. Chad, without further ado, let's get right into it. And before anyone asks, the computers decided they are not having a fit today, and Ed's screen is available, so we can see him there. So again, it will be back in action. In the meantime, I just want to check here. Let's just get Ed's camera back. There we go. Cool. So Chad, let's go into the fundamental chat now. What has happened? For the final GDP, we came out even lower at minus 0.5. Unemployment claims, again, did print lower, which is actually better for the dollar, hence the green. But a lower print there, 236. So a little bit of mixed data in that essence. And then again, across the board, durable goods, I'm not too worried about. So that's pretty much us there. Pending home sales, again, coming out at 4 o'clock. But this is pretty much how we are as we go into New York. So let's start off here, guys. Let's start with the dollar. Now, what are we looking at here? Again, I said to you guys, this is the area. This is what we wanted to monitor. 9,700 mixed data. Now, if this thing wanted to make a comeback, it had to do that. Mixed data, unfortunately, is not the answer for it. So we are not going to see anything happening there. I do believe that little bearish momentum could continue, or it could just range. But I definitely don't think we're going to be getting that bullish push. So if anything, either retesting that key level, if it can't even get past the yearly support. Otherwise, if that holds, we're going to continue to push lower. Going over to NASDAQ. Now, guys, this is the neutral part and why we're neutral. So we've now taken, yesterday we took all-time highs. Okay, we understand that. Today, we retook all-time highs and now we are rejecting. That is not a good sign in that essence. Now, again, I'm not going to say it is not a bullish market, but I do think we could see a potential sell-off in the meantime, and that's what we want to monitor. So we're going to see if this continues to hold underneath that all-time high, well, previous all-time high technically. We're going to go back for that Asia high retest, and Asia lows remain untested. Daily pivot EQ all remain there, and then we've got lots of levels. This thing can just step its way to the downside. Chad, let me just drop this, but I don't know if the music is loud or if it's just in my ears, but it's dropped that. So definitely still the neutral idea. Now, because of having that, that's why we're going to say with US 30, again, still the potential. Now, you guys know, and that's why I'm neutral. A doji, normally I want to see the continuation play, but NAS has been the stronger of the two. NAS is the leading one of the two, and if NAS is rejecting a high, this literally can become what we call a swing high. So we're going to see that fall into play here. On the 15, the big thing for me, guys, is we do have, as why that block is there, this level of rejection. Now you can see these are bodily highs. Now we are just getting wicks. Now the one thing I take note of is, again, when we start testing area, we're testing them, but at this time, what are we seeing here? The wicks. It's just a lot of it. No bodily closures, things like that, just wicks in that main area, and that's becoming a problem, because what happens to the downside, you've got a massive wick that can go there. So we're going to monitor that on the 5 minute. Yeah, we're going to see I see it did. That actually came down and gave it that retest now. So we're going to take note of that. Gave Asia lows that retest, but you're going to hold here, see what happens, because very, very simply, if this thing was to buy, I'm going to be looking above that level because I want to see volume come in. Otherwise, this thing can literally just range around here until it could definitely break lower. Sorry, that is Asia highs. My apologies. There's Asia lows. So Asia lows is still untested. So this could be the bounce. And if it fails to hold here, what are we doing? If you guys see this, we technically are just going lower and lower as that resistance holds. So as I said, I'm only going to buy above that level of resistance. Otherwise, I'm going to anticipate the shorts to come in and monitor that. Again, the same idea that if NAS follows and if NAS leads, USD is going to follow. So we'll see what happens there. Then going over to gold, we are seeing this thing now trying to fight back again, as we said to you guys. Did go over a nice bearish move, but trying to hold it again. That weekly S1 putting up a very, very strong fight here for gold. So we're seeing that play here. Very, very simple. When we look at the 4 hour, we're going to see this come in. We are still stepping to the side, but again, you can see there lows getting the whole time. So keep in mind, we are starting to build that structure now. Very, very simple. And that's why we're going to say we are neutral. Purely because of that reason, we can see that idea that this is going to turn around. Now, very, very simple for myself. If we are going to go short, I just want to see it underneath there. That's pretty much it. Hold down the weekly S1. If this 30 minutes can then start flipping bearish, or I don't think it will, it'll be very unlikely. So the next candle, otherwise this thing could have that bullish move start to come in. I'm not saying, hey, we're going all the way back to all-time highs, but you could see a bullish move. Just do something like that for us, and I'm more than happy with a nice little quick $10, $15 move on gold. But Chad, that is everything for me. And this time today, over to you, Ed.
Hey, finally get a shot here. All right, Chad, looking at gold, I am in on longs, long term. Your boy's an investor in gold right now. Original position at 31.75. And we are expecting all-time highs to be hit at some point. Not today, not tomorrow, but at some point. So looking at current price action today, we took Asia highs, flipped back in, went aggressively towards Asia lows, and bounced off the daily S1, which is something I like to see. So what I am hoping to see for the rest of today, let me just find my tool here quickly. What I'm hoping to see here for the rest of the day is for a nice little bullish run to start from here. Might get a little bit of a retest of the daily S1. I'm looking for a punch through that daily pivot, maybe a nice little retest there, maybe something at the EQ. And I'm looking for a attack of daily R2 and beyond. Now, if we get a nice hold above this weekly resistance level here, the weekly S1, I might look to add another position right here to long for a short term, just for a targeting of the daily R2. But like I said, I'm already in this nice and long from, let me just show you guys from there. So long from there, 71, 31, 81, 75, something in that ballpark. And have a couple positions in the meantime looking up here. So recently added a couple positions which are in drawdown, but looking for the next little bullish run to start from here. So that's what I'm anticipating. I might add more positions here if we stay above this weekly S1. We could still retrace a little bit lower. However, that's less likely for me, but is possible to go down to the daily S2. If we go beyond previous daily lows, then my current positions are in a little bit of trouble, but I don't anticipate that being the case today. Looking at US 30, I'm in a couple longs on US 30 from last week Thursday. Almost got wicked out there, but managed to hold. So this is looking nice and pretty for me. We do have this expanded little buy expansion right here, which could see a little bit of a retrace. So I wouldn't be shocked if we see a little bit of a bearish run with NASDAQ beginning its bearish run after hitting all-time highs. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit of a bearish run, maybe to the weekly R1, maybe even to the weekly pivot before continuing on its bullish run. That is not highly probable, but it is something I am prepared for if it does happen. We are using the 200 EMA as a little bit of a dynamic resistance at the moment right now. So what I would love to see for today's session is if we can break back into Asia highs, I would look to maybe taking this to the EQ, maybe daily pivot, maybe even Asia lows. And I would probably use that as my soft targets. We could see this go down to previous daily lows, maybe even daily S1 before continuing its run up. So The only trade for me right now is if we can get below Asia highs, then I would look for a little quick scalp short before expecting it to turn around. I'm not going to buy up here. We're pretty much at the high of the session. We are edging close to previous daily highs, so wouldn't want to buy up here. So the only thing I'd be interested on US 30 is a short. And very similar with NAS, not a big fan of selling at all-time highs. This thing can still keep pumping for days still. However, the only thing I would be interested here is shorts, because buying up here at all-time highs also isn't super comfortable. So if we can see a pump back into Asia highs, I might look to scalp it a little bit down to the daily pivot, maybe down to Asia lows. Those are the only moves I'm willing to get in on today. And that's me.
Here we go, Chad. There you have it. Just finalizing some things over here. Let's see. See what these markets are doing.
Mostly we have no idea what was up on my screen.
What's that now?
Mo was asking why is the screen suddenly work now?
Chad, I told you, I don't know what Mo does after hours. Let's see. Edgar has the BE source. There we go. Peter's my brother. It's only a person on the app on. Wow, it is definitely an investor. There we go. I want the cracker. Join Project G. There we go. I dodged a bullet today, man. Hey, what did you do, my brother?
Viking, just send support a quick email. I've told them to be on high alert for your email coming in.
Let's see. I got greedy on US 30. Ooh, that's never a good thing. Greed and US 30 don't go well together. They will hurt you. Let's see what's gonna happen, Chad. We've got a little bit of time here before market open. Chad, you know, I've said it before, I'll say it again. You know, the TikTok algorithm, trying to figure that thing out is one of the biggest headaches I've had in a very long time.
Very different to Instagram, eh?
Bro, the idea that you can post a video and today goes like 20 something thousand views, and then literally the next video will do like 300. Not even like 300. It's like, what just happened? Like,
that's actually insane.
We were in the end 4 hours of drawdown. Oof, that is a battle. I missed the crackers. The cracker signal was sent to Project G, guys. Keys, how does the new promo work? What do you mean? The 50% off. Keys, can you remove the minimum withdrawal limit on VF?
I don't think we have a minimum withdrawal limit.
Are you talking about the affiliate minimal withdrawal? I have to ask, is this Tariq like our Tariq? Where'd you arrange? That's what I'm asking.
Do you get deranged?
Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Bonus day, Hunter. 50% off for 50% profit split. It's 150 USD minimum withdrawal. What's that on? Wait. Where's that? No, this isn't Tariq. Okay, I'm just checking, chat. I haven't seen that Tariq in a while. Different, I think. That Tariq and Connor, I actually haven't seen in a while.
Yeah, I forgot Connor existed, actually.
Yeah, I don't know where these boys are disappearing to, bro. I see the love. They're forgetting about us there. That's on the one step. Do we have a minimum withdrawal on the live accounts?
That's news to me. I might be mistaken, but that's news to me.
Tariq, my brother, I'm sorry. I'm just battling to understand. Yeah, I've never known. Chad, hold on. Whoa. That's impossible. We can't have a minimum withdrawal on a live account. He was earlier in the week. Okay, cool. Is it a 50% profit for the duration of the account, or is it for the first payouts? Is they're asking you a question there, my brother?
The duration of the account, brother.
Devs minimum withdrawal. Is there really one? I mean, $150 isn't really anything hectic, but I mean, that's literally news to me. I did not know that. So, hectic. Wait, hold on. Is it $150 across all accounts or on a certain account size? Wait, let's figure that one out as well.
Yeah, it makes a difference, eh?
Yeah. Chad, that is it. Markets open, round 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight.
Let's go!
I passed once before, then it told me that blew the account. Bought another one and passed, but I'll wait for the payout date and see if it changes. All accounts. Yeah, mine also says it.
That is news to me.
Yeah, Chad, I'm gonna follow up on that for you guys. That is literally the first time I've heard of that one. And it also doesn't make sense. Because for example, like if you had a $150 minimal withdrawal on a 100k on a $10,000 account, that's like a 1.5% trade. Where if it's a 100k account, like that's a 0.1% on the account. So it doesn't make sense to me why they would do that, but yeah, let me follow up with you guys about that. Watch NASDAQ. Okay, I don't know what's happening on NASDAQ that you want to watch, but we'll watch it for you, brother. Is it still 30 days for the first withdrawal if you use the 50% code? Yeah, that's not going to change. It will still be 50%.
Yes, Oaks. How much do you want here?
It's like they want 50%.
Sure. How much do you want here?
Payout time. It's I'm on a 5k account, so that's 3%. Yeah, you see, that's what I say. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like that, it changes
Yeah, that's rough,
completely
guy. No,
for
that's. No, we need to look into that.
Yeah. Whew, Chad. I don't know why you're watching NASDAQ. Watch US30, bro. I don't know who's watching.
Jeez! Oh, Mo's position is in trouble.
I don't know who was watching.
Let's go! Come on. All-time highs. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now I just need gold to play ball and just a couple clicks up, man. Couple clicks up. I just need gold to get up to what, 3350? Just 3350, man. Just get just above that high. And then your boy is swimming in it. Hey Mo, are you okay? Man was in US 30 shorts not long ago. Tell me you got out already. Sure. Hell happened there? Big blue dildo candle, that.
Well, that is rough, bro.
Yo. That's an account blower right there.
That is rough. I need to correct that there.
Surely that's news induced. Like what do you wait? Let me go to the 2G's Discord. See what our little news app is saying. Where's the news feed? News. Surely something happened.
So, I'm just watching. Yeah, quickly. I'm sorting out the Project G, guys.
Let's see here. Mu imbalance, SP 500. No, I couldn't have done it. Hiring and firing rates are quite low right now. There are still pockets of shortages in the job market. Republicans will try and rework the provider tax to keep it in the bill, two sources say. Iran law suspending IAEA cooperation comes into effect. Fed's bargain, possible neutral rate estimates will creep up over time. I'm not seeing what did that though.
No, it's hectic. You literally have Nas rejecting still.
Sure.
You're yesterday on a mission. Keys, I've been testing your strategy and the win rate has been beautiful. Gavin, which strategy's at? The Cracker. Cracker went solid. Sheesh. Chad, just because I know you guys are going to feel left out here. But that's what the guys are talking about. I think people are still sleeping on it. The Cracker, 323 Cracker play today. What does it say there, Chad? 43,119 buys above here. There we go. 43,119. There was your
Sheesh.
TP smashed.
What was that? 2-minute trade?
1 minute, my brother.
Oh, clean, easy, beautiful.
Guys, please join the TGs. We're eating Cracker play.
Very, very smooth.
There you go.
Very,
Easy as
very
you like. Fatso one. I know that man loves the Cracker, bro.
Enjoy
He
yourself.
loves it.
Enjoy yourself.
People are sleeping on the Cracker, bro. Aish.
Very easy win there. Congrats.
Like he sold on the grab a short play on gold. Okay. Mo, bro, I'm frozen in shock.
Shame, man. That's a cuck one.
He must have said a swear word today, lol. Ooh, Chad, hold on, sorry. There was just a lot happening there. I see Bonang, my brother. Hey, sorry, my brother, we took long. I was a lot happening here on the markets.
Yeah.
Hey, but we have Bonang here, Chad. Let me get his camera up for you guys.
Smooth.
Very, very smooth.
Hey, Bonang, we caught that rocket, bro.
Nice.
We caught that rocket.
For me, it is my stop loss that day.
Hey, chose to lose today.
I've been choosing to lose for the past 2 days now.
Hey, bro. Hey, Kunzim.
It's my losing season, Baba. Look at this. Do you see that?
There we go. But I'm going to put on your screen for you quickly, my brother. While you're there, you can do a little bit of a breakdown for the guys.
All right, thank you. All right, guys. US30 still running against me there. I think this shoot is a good one. Almost similar to NASDAQ behavior on all-time highs kind of a thing. So let's see. I'm waiting for a flip in here. A failed flip in here, that means the market going further and further against me. That's US30 there. And then as of NASDAQ, smoothly done. Perfect. So I'm winning there. Good drop. Let's see if we cannot dip in and dip in and dip in. And then as of as of gold, how did gold go? Unfortunately, guys, I think I lost my gold, so I'm not going to check gold now. I'll check it tomorrow for you. Right, that's it. US30 currently on a drawdown, pushing up, and then NASDAQ pointing down. Right, that's it. NASDAQ is the one that is winning, and then US30 currently on a loss. Yo, that pump is massive. What is happening, Kicks? What did you see on the market?
Bro,
The market.
Hey, bro, I'm not seeing anything. I looked.
Yeah, from a fundamental side, there's nothing, my brother.
It's just a normal move.
Yeah, the Cracker caught it.
Nice,
Obviously, that's the strategy with it. But I don't know why it pumped. I didn't expect it to pump like that. But I'm just happy we were in it.
Nice. That's how it should be. We expect New York session to move like this. You know, the way US30 did. That's what we are expecting. Definitely. So for me, when I see New York session moving like this, I know now volume is back.
Yeah.
100%.
We're going to do it now. Let's see, Chad. But yeah, the Cracker was a monster there.
Smooth.
I know someone asking there, it sounds like a noob question, but what is the Cracker everyone's talking about? The Cracker is my personal strategy that I developed, going on 2 years now almost?
Something like that, yeah.
I'd say maybe a year and a bit.
It cracks the market, Chad.
Cracker play, there we go. But no, Keegs, people be sleeping on the 2Gs. Actually, it's 4Gs. Lol. Follow real traders. Put in the work in like the Gs. There we go, my brother. Well, I need to watch some other streams to hear what Project G is. Lol. Keegs is the market maker. It's the cracker moving it. Whew. Chad, the cracker is a monster. I think for the guys that are in there, we must actually go back and look at. I think in the last 3 weeks, I think the crackers only taken 2 losses.
Last 3 weeks, that's insane, actually.
Nah, bro, the crackers are a monster. Bro, you know, that's the thing, Chad. You guys need to ask Brian. You need to get yourself a Plamena. And the reason I say that is because when she was down my neck every single day, I couldn't afford to mess up. So I had to develop a very good strategy.
US 30, guys, I'm cutting a loss here. I can't afford this anymore. That's a stop loss for me, guys. I am closing. Right there. I can't afford that drawdown anymore. Then that's US 30 loss. I'll say loss.
You need to be a real man for that. Yeah, bro, to handle that. Whew.
Yeah.
Jeez,
Let's
Chad.
leave it like that.
What
and
is
then
it-
going to
What is US 30
NASDAQ.
doing?
Bro,
So,
US 30
it's 150 pips.
bro.
US 30 is coming here. ED here. 43,596 there.
43,
Hey, buzzer.
59. Hey,
Buzzer, not enjoying
that'll be good for me. That'll be good for
Yeah,
me.
it's going there. That's
It'll
where
be
it's
good
pushing.
for me. I just need gold to also play ball, and then, yeah. Then we are
yourself.
smiling.
Enjoy yourself.
I entered gold longs earlier and took 150 pips and left. It's still going. Hey.
Chad, I just got a little bit of a quick little risk call now, so I'm going to pop out for. I don't anticipate this one being long. He just wants to ask a couple questions, and I'll be back.
If US 30 flips in there, guys, that would be a good one. I will try to attempt another one here. Let me do it this way. This one will be my last trade on this thing. Just there.
That's just smart with volume like US 30 is moving. There goes someone's yearly salary. Yeah, bro, that is a rocket ship.
It's a massive move.
That is a big move, guys. But again, that's what we trade New York sessions for. So I'm glad to see we getting that volume again.
Yeah, the volume. Yeah, it's back. I love it as well. You know, that kind of a push is what we expect, actually. Let me think this one. I'll journal this one after. I'll have to write this trade down to let's see this one, how this one goes.
But that's the thing, Chad. We always talk about this. People always want to catch those moves, but you got to at least have some skin in the game to catch it.
It's not easy. Let's see.
You could be sitting there thinking about all the other things and not focusing, and you never know. Next thing you know, you lose. So you got to. People want to be in these trades, and that's the thing, guys. Just be there.
Nice,
Believe in yourself, don't question it, and you never know what's gonna happen.
Nice drop there on NASDAQ. I'm eating some good monies here today. Good. Situation of NASDAQ dropping, US 30 buying. See what US 30 does. I just love the opening of this. What's the day today? Thursday or Wednesday?
Thursday.
Thursday. It's nice. That's a very good push. We want to see a good New York session like this, guys. Good volume, smoothness. I didn't trade US 30 this morning because of 3 pips. It's now up at 300 points. Okay.
That's it. Dave, that's exactly what we're saying, bro. You got to be there, bro. You got to get in there. When a trade goes against me, I'm calling it an illegal move. There we go.
What USD is doing?
So what happens after a huge candle like that? Chop, chop, chop. Hey. You know, that is what happens, because you know what's going to happen. How many guys, for example, there's two things that happen here. Someone's either going to be like, yo, I'm missing out. And they want to try get in on the buy. And now that's the buy finished. Because think of this in a logical reason. You could have the buyers who were in that move. They have that. The minute they see it starting to slow down, that's where they go, you know what? Great move. Let me pull my profits. Meaning the buyers start to exit the trade. Then that's where that thing turns around. Now you late to the party. You're only jumping in now when they leave in. And that's where it starts to come back down. And then that's where you go, ooh, you're okay. Especially the guys. Because the guys, we all know you people. You run these tiny little stop losses. Then it's going to go down. It's going to hit your stop. Then when you're going to be like, okay, I'm going to sell.
But how will you buy like that?
I won't buy it.
How will you? I won't buy. I will sell. That's what I did there. And overall, this market was bearish on USD. It's just an illegal move, this one. So the market has to flip in back here and play this out. Look at that flip in. Just look at it. You can't buy there. You will be brutalized. You will be brutalized. We don't do that here.
But now look at Nas. Ooh, what's happening with Nas? Nas is fighting, guys. Asia lows.
Smooth.
If those Asia lows go, ooh, that's what I said. US30. I don't know what caused that bullish move, but US30 could have a big tank after that.
Yeah, it's gonna go down. This thing, it has to go down. Kicks, definitely. But you see, the bullish movement that this US30 is doing is the bullish movement that NASDAQ did yesterday.
Yeah.
You see, so we have been selling NASDAQ, selling US30. I just entered another US30 after closing my trades. You know, I mean, this drawdown was not a good one for me, so I had to close and enter again on a different account. So definitely, let's see how that goes. NASDAQ, I have 2 days holding a drawdown from here, and today I entered more trades again. Let's see how I will survive that one. You can't buy US30 where it's sitting there unless otherwise. You would want to see the closure of this Kenki, how that Kenki closes like, right? And then you would want to see if the market sustains the like something like this. This is a high, right? Broken, and then retested, strengthened, and then market pushes up. Otherwise, this one bar, it can actually flip inside and decline hard. Understand? But now, what's the price of the CV on US30? Price of the CV, the sell entry is 42,982, 42,982.43. So you can set your sell stops there.
I told US30 go down, but it did not listen. Hey.
Mr. Bonds.
Man's the market maker there.
Imagine.
You guys need to start pulling out today, guys. You need to stand over your screen there, and you need to blow down on the camera. You need to blow down.
I love it.
You blow it down.
I love this NASDAQ trade, guys. Smooth. The weather changed this side. How is the weather that side kicks? Here it just became cold.
So we had a very, very hot day yesterday, which was actually quite random. It is a bit cooler today, but it's not bad. But we do have weather warnings and that, so we do think that Cape Town weather is going to start coming. Yeah, the wind is already picked up. The wind is insane at the moment, but I think that rain's probably going to hit us tonight.
I see. Bonang is so calm in drawdown, and here is most biting their nails while 5 points drawdown, and here most is biting. Or you don't have to be emotional. Don't use your emotions. No feelings. Just trade. NASDAQ is doing me justice. doing me justice.
You see, so we had another little video we're gonna post here today for you guys. Another quick
Smooth.
breakdown one for you. We wanted to see it here. I don't know which of you saw it, but there is a. We obviously did that last one for you guys. What was it now? That breakdown video. So we did the next one for you guys. So we're gonna see. You said you enjoyed it, so we're gonna see how much you guys enjoy it. But yeah, the next one is looking ready to go. I need to see which one is this one. That is the. Which one was this?
Okay, so this market jumped into the take profit of the 9th. You see this take profit here? That's the one that just got hit now. No. So we want to see the market declining from there. I want to see if I don't have anything here.
Is still
Right.
crashing.
NAS to crash. NAS to crash.
Chad, I
Nas
said to
is
you
to
guys
crash.
when Nas rejected all-time highs. I told you. Chad, we told you it was not good for Nas. The fact it rejected all-time highs, not a good sign. Just need
Market
to make
must
sure
drop.
this is.
My screen is too busy, guys. This is day trading. You see how busy it is. Yeah, I have exhausted US state. Look at my screen. Chai. Yay. Okay. A good decline here, it means good money here. We enjoy ourselves. And then as of NASDAQ, where are the W's for this NASDAQ at least, guys? Please, so that tomorrow I do the same. You know, there are people who are so wicked, kicks, who when they are selling, they tell people to buy. they'll be going to the stream, telling people we are selling, while they are buying. They do the opposite. They do the opposite. Guys, where are the W's? The people are so cold today. I think they've blown. Did you blow? Guys, where are those W's?
Hey, Bonai, they're definitely blowing up there, my brother.
I'm telling you, it's so cold. They are angry. Don't be angry, guys. There's another day, another week. All right. Usually, it's 26 today, right? If we check the month, the monthly candle is the one that is misbehaving right now. The month is about to end. So definitely this month, we have to know the monthly opening candle, then the closure of the monthly candle. There's always some volatility, some volume, and so forth and so forth. So you have to always take note of the calendar if you are trading. I just want to see this US 30 declining. You know, the money we are going to make from this US 30 is massive. Kicks. A flip of that candle there is good money.
That thing rejects. That's. Whew.
Yeah, we want to see it dropping. If it rejects there, a new candle opening now in the next 4 minutes or 6 minutes inside, triggering our sales, hitting our TP, done for the day.
That will be a massive move.
Yes, sir. Let this market not embarrass me now.
That's
14% for the week. Enjoy yourself, Lawrence. I love it.
Man's made
Our
14%. Hey.
14.46 is almost 15%.
How's about a dono there, Lawrence? How's about you buy yourself an account using 50% off? Eh? Yeah, give back.
Enjoying himself.
No, epic stuff, dude. Well done.
If you allow me to trade on Volt Fund, I will blow the account. Just allow me. I will take a small account. I won't be too much.
Listen, I can be bought, eh? I can be bought. Just pop me a message. We'll change your name quickly. No one needs to know.
Thank you. But you just revealed it now. They will catch us.
No, they'll think I'm joking.
All right. I see.
Hey, there goes US study, Chad. That thing is starting to melt.
Let the people enjoy themselves.
See, Chad, that's the thing about trading. You got to take losses, but you got to know when to back yourself and go right back at it. Because if you're scared, that's the thing. You could have closed at a loss. Because you weren't scared, you went back in. That's already the money made back.
Myself, I cannot stop trading. When I know my setup, like I know myself. Like I said, I can't leave this one alone. Definitely, I have to go for it. I can't lose this movement of US30. It's impossible.
Lovely
I
stuff,
have to
man.
enjoy myself.
Lovely stuff. Oh,
I'm using prop firm money. It's not a problem.
Dude,
that's the thing. Why be scared with money that's not even yours?
Yeah.
There we go.
And there is a 50% right now to buy a 2 million rand account on Volt Fund. Why not go?
50%, Chad. 50% off.
Imagine.
Nah, we are winning. Gold making a nice little comeback. I'm hoping this is its next little bullish push. Looks like it took some liquidity from those little lows there. Yeah, this is good.
Smooth.
I took some profits yesterday. I'm gonna take myself on a bit of a weekend out. Gonna enjoy myself.
Who is that?
Oh, that's me. I'm doing a small little weekend getaway just by myself. I need to distress.
I see. Nice. I love it. That chair for kicks is nice now.
Hey, me too, eh? Good chair. This is comfy.
Yeah. Same thing.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think Chris had some withdrawals. We decided to spoil ourselves in the office.
700. See this person just donated some money
Hey,
there.
Ruche
Enjoy
Shanning.
yourself.
Yes, man.
Cracker up and now in bonus sales. Enjoy yourself. 700. Yo, who is this one?
Man is balling.
Chai.
Boy, Roche. Hey, my brother. I
Hey, you're not
appreciate you.
joking.
Took the cracker up and now bonang in the cells. Enjoy yourself.
Oh, nice. He's sending you the money to go out, sir. 700 is a lot. Enjoy yourself.
Beautiful stuff there. Roche's
You see,
OG
when
of the channel.
when you behave like Roger, things like that, you are likely to be affected by the mathematic way of trading. You know, I'm telling you. No matter how short you are, if you go outside, you will see the sky. Bonang. That's true. That's how you will see the sky. The heavens are open for everyone, guys. Smooth. Come on, NASDAQ. Joe, look at NASDAQ rejecting there. It went straight into that level and it's rejecting.
USD, I think, can still go more.
No, it has to go down. Even NASDAQ has to go down.
Gold is a bit... That's a 50-50 on gold at the moment.
It's like the market's a little indecisive at the moment. They don't know what they want.
But that's the thing, Chad. That's why you got to look at it. You got two solid setups. Be like Roche, Chad. You caught the cracker. You caught it all the way up. And then he's catching the sell all the way right back down with Bonang.
Like winning on winning.
Enjoy yourself.
You could have been in on that too had you bought a Vault Funder account at 50% off. Now look at you, watching, spectating.
To be fair, you'd also need Project G because you need that for the cracker.
I mean, this is true.
Very
You see where being cheap gets you.
Nvidia trading at its new all-time high, so not sure how much NASDAQ wants to fall. Chad, I'm not gonna say anything. I always say this. We let the members do the talking for us. Literally, had a member the other day say to us, he's like, he literally bought Project G.
Yeah.
Day one, he made back his money and 3 times.
Hey, day one.
Day one.
Day one, Chad.
Day one.
You see where being cheap gets you?
Hey, Casper.
Here you are watching, spectating. Money's being made. You're doing nothing.
Ish.
50%. This 50% is good.
Hey, we
Is it 50% on only on phase one? What do you mean?
What do you mean? It's 50%.
Account is phase one and phase two. You choose which one you want. 1 step or 2 step.
Yeah, well, maybe he means 1 step or 2 step. No, all of them, bro. All of them. Do you know how we fought in the office about deciding if we're going to do this? I fought for you guys. Don't disappoint me. I was like, the Chad deserves it. They've been loyal. IQ Talks, you need to join Project G. Link is in the bio or description of this video. Join Project G. You'll get the cracker set up 5 days a week. We're not going to teach it to you. Oh, Keegan's not going to teach it to you because he didn't teach it to me, the stingy bastard. But he'll give you the setup.
Smooth. All right, this is H1 currently opened at 4 o'clock now. Kind of bullish, but we want to see it declining from there. Let's see how this goes. It opened bullish, may then drive down. Let's see.
Hey, markets are...
Indices are on one today.
They're playing games today. Wat gaat daar niet zo?
Hey, US 30 trying to make a U-turn. NASDAQ made a U-turn.
But it's not too much. It will come down.
We need to see. Every candle needs a wick. Hashtag US 30 must fall. Let's see.
How do you pronounce that name? Anyway, if you add the 90% add-on, you get an additional 10%. So that's instead of 50, it is 60. Also, you have to give me the phonetic spelling of your name there.
But it's just tapping the M5 favor gap. Okay. So guys, I have, sometimes it can be funny if you have many accounts. You are losing on other account, others are winning.
I like it like that though. I like it like that. I will never be losing on all of them at once.
Can you imagine?
Like now on my main account, I'm like, I think I have like 6% floating equity. About to pass that account, and the other account, I'm like only 2% floating equity.
Smooth.
On my DGen, what is my DGen on? I think I'm at like 5x the account or something like that. Do the math. Nearly 6x.
Been a while. Lovely to see the channel growing. Where have you been, Alexander? Welcome.
I hope you've been winning wherever you've been.
Sorry, chat. I'm just trying to sort something out here quickly.
Sorry, Chad. Be back in a bit.
As I said, chat, so I'm just trying to sort something out here quickly. The guys just need my help or something. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Took 8 rand to 3k this week alone. To Chris Point, trade small and let compound do its thing. That's it, bro. I think, yeah, it's we've been working on something, but we'll show you guys that a little later on. US 30 fighting. There we go. Chad, hope everyone's blessed and well. Hey, Alex, been a while. Lovely to see the channel growing. Yeah, bro, been a while, man. Love the rejection of the week.
Are you well?
Anyone purchased a Quantical account? I know someone that did, and they didn't have the best experience. I'm just gonna say that.
I also have a funded account with them. I breached it on consistency rule.
Yeah, the thing with me is I know the person I know traded with it, they had a very, very funny rule. Just to give you guys an idea, the person made basically, I think it was something like $12,000 or $14,000 or something like that, if I'm correct, on the account, a live account, only to get to the payout stage. And they said apparently he breached some rule. They're going to breach the account because he breached the rule. Just because he had a connection with one of the owners, the guy said, listen, okay, but we'll honor the payout for you, but we're going to breach the account afterwards. And then in honoring it, they only paid him out $2,000. So keep in mind, you have a $14,000 payout, and all you get is $2K. That's just and so only one person I know who traded with it, and that's the story I have for it. So I haven't looked into them at all myself. So yeah. Bro, I passed phase 2 on Quantico, then the next day they said I breached the crap rule in phase 1 and I had to start. Yeah, I see what they chat. Literally, Michael basically giving you a similar thing. Like, you pass phase 2 and only then they tell you apparently you breached some rule in phase 1. Like,
that's cuck.
If you breached it in phase 1, how did they get you to phase 2 then? Like,
that's
how did they...
cuck. Scammy practices, Chad.
Like I always say that, like, why didn't they pick up on them? Plamena has 2 and consistency rule is tough, but she's gotten her payouts. All right.
I mean, do you have to jump through those loopholes though?
Yeah, but you see, they're probably scared of Plamena. Bro, they look for anything to fail you. Yeah. That's wild, Sharky. I appreciate it, bro. Volfunda, it is Wajasku. Well, brother, as I say, I'm not going to tell you not to. That is literally the only story I know about it. But I mean, even Michael giving you, for example, a story there.
Wait, which property talking about now?
Quantico.
Oh no, I was going to, but who?
So as I say,
who had one here? Was it Laik?
I think yeah, but also I think he had one. I don't want to name names, but the story I was from the guys is the other. That friend of mine, very good friend.
Yes,
the trader.
Yeah.
That account, that was him. Who had the account with him.
Yes,
Ed knows the guy I'm talking about. $14,000 payout, and they only paid him out $2,000. and then still
Chad.
breached the account afterwards.
And the only reason he even got anything back is because he knows a guy. Guy.
That's the
and
only reason.
even after knowing a guy, what he got back was still pathetic.
And still breach your account.
Guy, that's cuck. No.
Still breach your account.
No, that's cuck.
Imagine.
And he knows that.
you have you know the owner. You have an inside dude, and you still treat it like that.
Oh, there goes USD. It's fighting there for you.
Now we're going to enjoy ourselves. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down.
Bonang, did you move
This one?
your calls this morning on US30 or did you explain at the beginning of the stream? Sorry, I missed the beginning.
What did I move? What?
Your plan for US30. When did you explain it?
Oh, wait. I think he was meant to say sells. No, Rian, he closed the sells. He got stopped on the sells.
I closed.
And then he re-entered.
I got stopped and entered again at where they stopped me on. That's what happened.
Yeah, I was in between reading that as calls and then sells. And I was like, it's most likely sells. Baby, come down.
I'm not liking price action for me. I'm just gonna stick to my original positions.
Reinforced the close. We fight. That's it. We don't back down. Yeah. We don't back down for nobody. US City's fighting. What's Nas doing? Okay, Nas had a pullback, but now fighting again.
US state, you must relax.
The markets are being bipolar today.
There's too much money there, AD.
We are winning. Daddy FX, I haven't hit a break even in weeks, chum. Haven't hit a break even in weeks. We've broken the curse.
Oh damn! I was going to post my. Oh damn! Let me go post it quickly.
I don't know, Sam. Like the Trump market definitely moves more than the Biden market, but it moves more randomly to me. I think I preferred Biden's market. I found it easier to read. However, I am making more money in the Trump market than I ever did in the Biden market. So I don't know. More stressful makes more money. You pick your poison. It just hit stop losses now. Chad, keep talking.
Sure.
I ain't gonna say much. I'm just gonna hashtag enjoy myself.
Is it just me, but VF is freezing today on MT5?
Let me check.
You have the guy right here, Chad. If he's not doing it, you cuck him out.
Let me check. On my little tester account. I tell you the story how I made a 40% return in 15 minutes on my little tester account.
Sure. But you know, that's the thing, bro. It's always on the tester.
It's always like, I like, listen, no technical analysis, nothing. I was just like, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. I'm like, all the executions work, cool. Left the account alone, came back. I'm like, the frick happened here?
That is so funny, bro.
Dude, it was hilarious. It was like $4,000 on a $10,000 account.
That is so funny.
I was like, why does this never happen when I'm being serious? This one breached already. Okay, wait. Let's try this other one. This one's working. Okay. Let's see. Nope. Instant execution there. Instant execution there. I'm not getting any freezing, chum. Nope. Working like a charm for me.
Alright, let's see.
Nope. Just lost 1%. That was quick. Close all positions. Nope. No freezing for me.
Nope. Just lost 1%. It freezes at random times. It's not freezing all the time. Happens to me all day. Trump makes markets is like good music at the club. The music moves me, but it moves me ugly.
Moves me ugly. That's actually a really good analogy. Freezes at random times. If you can get like a screenshot or a screen recording of that happening, just email that to support if you can. It will help narrow down what the issue might be. Then we can send it to our tech team.
I'm not happy with the behavior of NASDAQ here. The behavior of NASDAQ is out of order.
Hey, but I don't like how anything's
We see.
today. It's up and it's down and it's up and it's down.
Up and down.
It's down and it's up and it's down. US 30, same thing. Gold, same thing. You see, I tell you, this whole position trader thing. I'm not even stressed. I'm like, if I don't catch anything today, it's fine. I'm still holding. I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Alright.
For me, there's no enjoyment right now. Enjoyment is refusing me.
Enjoyment is refusing.
Come on! I'm telling you, I'm being rejected by investment.
Oh, that's funny. I like that.
Right, I want to see that enjoyment on USDT. That's what I'm waiting for right now. But I'm talking to Nas like a notice tape child.
There we go, Chad. Just had to get
I want to see a drop. No. It seems like we are coming up right. Let's see. Sure.
Up
Aye.
0.01 per. Hey, bro, you're still in the top 90%. What, the top 10% of traders for the day? You made money. Well done.
Better than zero. They say my screen froze again.
Okay, let's do it this way for you guys. His screen or his camera?
It's camera.
Should I refresh?
Yeah, please, Roland.
Today I came late.
Dun, dun.
But I was not too late.
Have you heard the acoustic version of the song?
No.
So good. So much better than this one.
These charts, bro.
Nah, dude, I'm mentally choked out. I'm never gonna lie. It's very barcodey. Not my idea of a good time.
When I close on a loss like this, the only better way therapy is to withdraw. Just one withdrawal.
Make you feel better,
that
yeah?
would be. Yeah, I'm telling you.
A nice
Just
withdrawal.
let me do myself justice.
Go to the club or something. Go have fun.
Telling you because wow. Let me just collect one small monies. Enjoy myself.
I say I don't like investing trade. I say I don't like investing trades. I don't like. I don't mind patience in waiting for the trade, but must be in and out.
Hey, what's this in
Bring
and
back
out?
Biden. Hey.
What's this in and out business? Me, I'm committed. Me, I'm in for the long haul. Me, I'm married to the trade.
Sure, the boys committing here, Chad.
Yeah, Daddy FX. I wanted to make that joke and I refrained. And then there you go.
So I'm going to miss you guys for the next 3 weeks. Off to Thailand for a lacquer golf holiday. I'll pop in and out next week though. Peace and love, TG and chat. Hey, my brother, travel safe. Enjoy it.
Someone's been collecting TPs. Enjoy, man.
Choose not to lose.
Stay away from the lady boys.
The NASDAQ I'm married to it too, but it's playing with my feelings. Rooks, I did that, but came back as could not complete. Keys, is there a max time limit to holding trades on VF? No, my brother. You can hold for months if you want to.
Be like me. Teach me how to hold trades. Hey, you know.
Are you there, guys?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Hello,
I think he froze again. He always has the same look at his face when he freezes too.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my screen. Yeah, I think Bonang's thing is freezing again all the time.
Saying, how do I hold trades? Bro, it comes from years of taking stops, years from over analyzing, years from watching trades happen. I'm just like, you know what? I'm in. I set an alert. If my alert isn't triggered, I'm not even looking at the chart, because it hasn't moved to a level where I have to do something yet. And then eventually, it's like, nah, I'm not even stressed. I'm not even thinking about it. But it took a while. It took a long while. In fact, funny story. The only reason I'm in this gold long from that early, it was a random Friday. I think it was me and you. And no, it was me and Chris. I think it was me and Chris. Entered gold longs. Now it's Friday. I'm not mentally in it. I'm not even committed to this. It was it's a medium-sized position. I'm not even committed to it. It's ranging just above entry. And I'm like, you know what? I'll leave it. It's above entry. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go long. Completely forgot about this trade, Chad. Completely forgot I was even in the trade until about 10 o'clock that night. And I'm like, oh shit, wasn't I in the trade? Like, what's happening? And it's like, maybe like a couple ticks in profit. Nothing worthy of closing, because it was on my DGen account.
Yeah.
But like, I'm not gonna close it, because like, it's whatever. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna move stop to break even. I'm gonna leave it and see what happens. Monday, does it not shoot up? And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna hold this. So it was a complete fluke, a complete accident. I just happened to be in the right trade at the right time. And I've been holding that bad boy since.
Like, I'm just holding it just like because.
I'm just holding it because. I looked at it, I'm like, no man, all-time highs is due. I'll just wait for that. Fruit Loops here, yeah. I entered secondary positions on gold and US 30 longs on my funded, and also on those I'm swinging for the fences on those. So we'll break even on the US 31s. Risk still open on gold from where I'm at, and we'll see what happens. Either I make money or I lose money. It's what I either make money or I lose money that wasn't mine anyway.
Issues here. Are you still there?
We can hear you, brother.
My brother.
Network problems.
Nah, don't stress about my brother if you.
My network problem.
Nah, it's alright, bro. Is the weather bad your side? Because the weather's taking a turn here.
Let's see.
I have issues with my network here. I don't know what's going on. I just got connected. I'm connected back now.
Here we go.
Oh good, oh good. Do you not get shouted by stops when you swaps when you hold some? Let's actually see what are my swaps? What have my swaps been? I haven't noticed them, so they can't be that bad. What account is this one?
TGs need to do a video on how to actually purchase an account on VFU.
Oh, guys, is it that challenging?
Yeah, for some people. You actually have to do everything, but the only thing you should not do is to teach them how to open a trade. It's otherwise. Also, you do. You have MT4, MT5 tutorials, this and that.
Not chat on my little degen account. The swaps are. I'm trying to put a percentage to this. 4% of the total floating profits, give or take. Which is I'm fine with that. On this account, and on this one.
Keeks, with the consistency rule, what happens if a trade gold like it and scale in after I close one trade is on 40% one trade, on 50% one trade and 70% on the layouts I want to withdraw? Sam, well, if it's with Vol Funder, we don't have a consistency rule.
If a prop firm has a consistency rule, be afraid. Be very afraid. Okay, I can't check what the swaps are on
So
this account.
those guys, Commit Capital, removed the consistency rule. On all other accounts, expect 1 million and 2 million and 4 million rand account. $100,000 and $200,000, which means on the bigger accounts you have to be consistent. On small account, you can't be consistent. You know why? This has to be a lesson to people. That I always say, small accounts will always be a disadvantage, but big accounts are an advantage. So now they fixed the big accounts so that you find it hard.
Well, knowing I'm gonna be real with you though, my brother. They're doing that purely to protect themselves, because the big accounts is the same way it's the accounts that actually can make a difference for you.
They take a lot of money.
Those are the accounts that hurt them. And that's where they're trying to make it as many loops, because they know a guy, for example, a guy that's on a $5,000 account is not going to hurt them. But a guy that's on a 4 million rand account, I mean, you're going to do some damage.
That's the thing.
So they're trying to limit the big accounts.
And also you have to make small money, because with small account you make small income as well. Big account you can make big income. So it's still consistency still.
For the same amount of work.
Chad, I think we're going to get ready to wrap it up. I mean, there's nothing happening on the charts. It's kind of rangy now. I know Bonang is battling a bit with the signal there. So not really going to force anything. We had the cracker play do its thing. Bonang is in those cells. We'll snap them. And edging gold since a year ago. So we are seeing what the markets are doing. But Bonang, I will see if your screen is loading.
Okay.
I think it's frozen.
Check it. It is.
Yeah, I can put it on for the guys so they can see it, but it doesn't look. No, it is moving. Right. Hey?
I changed.
It is moving. There we go. Okay. Yeah, but I don't know if you want to have any closing remarks there, my brother.
Okay. My closing remarks, guys, are very simple. Remember, yesterday I projected this. I said this is 22,524. This means markets are likely going to go there. We are seeing this already. We have already been defeated. I mean, the New York opening was supposed to determine the drop. So that drop was a leaky one. We see a rejection now. This means there's a high possibility that this market can drive all the way up there. Nevertheless, I am not changing my mind. I am not buying. I'm still holding onto my sales right there. I'm very much convinced that I'm going to hold my sales. Right. As of US30, we can see again that's a key zone. I would say a high broken. And then we see an opening closing above that high. What does that mean? It means this high has been confirmed to be a real one now. We want to see how this market behaves. I can tell you that this projected take profit is likely going to be a reality. This whole move here, all the way to 43,596, is likely going to be a reality. Why? Because the market has closed above a broken out zone, and then the market retested it, and the market is likely going to drive all the way up. This is the movement that happened on NASDAQ right yesterday. So this is a possibility there. However, still going to hold on to my sales. My sales are going to be take profit number one will be the CV for the day. That is 42,982. Provided this price does decline this movement. For me, I deem it as an illegal move, because per day today, we're supposed to fulfill by going down. So basically, I'm still holding onto my sales, holding sales on NASDAQ, holding sales on US30. Thank you so much. Over to you, Kicks.
There we go, Chad. That is it. Ed, any closing remarks from you there, brother?
Just a Chad, like Bonang was saying, small accounts make you small money, big accounts make you big money. You have the advantage of 50% off a Vault Funded Challenge today. And you don't think we're doing another one next month, because we're not. I promise you now. Probably not the month after that. This. If you're looking for a 50% off, this is it. So take advantage, make some money, and yeah, Chad. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, Chad. That's it. As always,
Thank
Chad.
you.
Just again, Bonang, thank you for joining us, my brother. Ed, thank you for stepping in as well.
Welcome.
Chad,
Always.
we're going to be back same place, same time tomorrow as always. It's been a good week. We've got the last 2 sessions for tomorrow, so let's wrap it up nice and strong. So don't go, Chad. Again, if you aren't in a position, market's very choppy. Again, don't go try and hurt yourself there unless
Thank you
something
so
meets your
much.
criteria. Plan the trade, trade your plan. Simple as it gets. But Chad, we're going to see you guys. So again, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
God bless, Chad.
Thank you. Bye.
Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know why suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Guess all you left me blind. Guess all you left me blind. Guess all you left me blind. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Guess all you left me blind. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Guess all you left me blind. In retrospect, I could have paid attention. I could have tried harder, been smarter, deep water, I'd be drowned. I should have felt the tension. Overreacted and acted childish, impacted us all around. When you were pushing me away, I should have tried to give you space and get out of your way. How did I not see this coming? You leave in one day. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I not see you running? How did I get left behind? How did I not see this coming? Guess all you left me blind. Guess all you left me blind. Let's